Welcome back to WPM. We just wanted to make this video. It's an unscheduled one. We just want to be fully transparent with you guys. These first couple of videos coming up after the first one you guys saw already, it's gonna be a lot of like time-lapse videos in it. It's just because, at the end of the day, we are technicians, not really like film people, so we're still learning. We're getting better at it, and we promise it will get better as it goes along. We'll have more explaining on the videos, more close-ups of what we're doing. But yeah, you guys can kind of see it's going to be like I said, at first, it might be a lot of like shop cleanup. But we promise there's a lot of cool builds coming up. It's going to be, that's our priority, building cars. The next couple episodes you're going to see us building a friend's car. It's a 66 Nova, so be on the lookout for that. But yeah, we have a really big project coming up, and so that is this car right here. So this car will be merged with another car, and then the engine going in it, I guess if you consider that from another car, it'll be 3 cars that are merged into one. And so that is like our biggest build that we're going to do so far. It's pretty crazy. If you guys go onto our website, you'll actually be able to see a little preview of it, because there's like a little hidden Easter egg on our website of what this will become. So check that out in the link in the description. And yeah, we also have a Lexus GX that we're doing an off-road build on. We have, you guys will see in one of the next couple episodes, you'll see Dave's Fox body that he's modified. So yeah, a lot of cool projects to come. Like I said, these first couple ones are just going to be kind of like house cleaning. But after that, we're going to be rolling with some really cool stuff, and we hope you guys stick along for it. Thank you, and hopefully you guys keep on subscribing, sharing with your friends, for letting them know that some cool stuff is coming. And so yeah, thanks. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. Check out our website. There'll be a link tree on the bottom in the description that'll have everyone's socials and our website and our Instagram, so you guys can follow us everywhere. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and then stay tuned for Friday for our regularly scheduled episodes. Thank you.